Hello, I'm President and Vice Chancellor, Professor Colin Riordan. Helo, yr Athro Colin Riordan dwi, a llwyddiannau ac Is-Ganghellor. As I'm filming this, we've been busy helping our new cohort of first years settle in and welcoming back our returning students for the new academic year. For me, it's a very special one, as it's the start of my final year as Cardiff's Vice Chancellor. Plans are already in place to appoint my successor, and because Cardiff will always be a special place for me, I thought I'd take a moment to reflect on some of the developments that have happened at Cardiff in the 10 years I've been here. It's been a story of growth. Student numbers have increased by 31%, and the total number of teaching staff has increased by 29%. We've seen our research grants and contracts increase by an additional £28 million. We've seen new buildings opened on campus, which have had a significant impact on our students and researchers. These buildings include the Hayden Ellis building, which brings together experts in conditions such as schizophrenia, Alzheimer's disease and stem cell cancer research for the first time. The Postgraduate Teaching Centre is part of the business school, and it offers teaching and learning spaces for collaboration and networking. The Cardiff University Brain Imaging Centre, or QBRIC, brings together world-leading expertise in brain imaging, mapping and stimulation so that we can understand better the causes of neurological and psychiatric conditions. The School of Journalism, Media and Culture has a new home next to the BBC located in the city centre. This will allow it to build stronger industry links and boost student employability through direct access to major media organisations. Our iconic Centre for Student Life, which is home to the University Student Life Services, provides support to students with study, health and well-being, managing money and accommodation, and it prepares our students for the future through the Careers Service. Abacus brings together the School of Computer Science and Informatics and the School of Mathematics into one world-leading facility. Spark is part of our Innovation Campus, a vibrant hub nurturing partnerships between entrepreneurs, business leaders, professional advisors, academics and students. The Translational Research Hub is a place where industry and scientists work together to solve complex global challenges. Researchers in the Institute for Compound Semiconductors and the Cardiff Catalysis Institute use the state-of-the-art facilities to collaborate with commercial partners. As well as these new facilities, we enter the new academic year celebrating our successes in the Research Excellence Framework, which saw 90% of our research confirmed as world-leading or internationally excellent. We're rated 11th in the UK for impact and 14th in the UK for research power. It's fantastic to see so many areas of excellence evidencing the strength and significance of our contribution to Welsh and UK research and innovation. As well as our research, our teaching has also been recognised as we retain the title of Welsh University of the Year in the latest Times and Sunday Times Good University Guide. The guide also sees the university remain as Wales's highest ranked university and jump 10 places to 25th amongst UK universities. This is excellent news, especially given the continued exceptional challenges our staff and students have faced over the last 12 months. So, as we look forward to our new year, we're really pleased to welcome all our students back onto campus, following a challenging few years of remote and blended learning. We remain ambitious and committed to providing the best environment to be a world-class teaching and learning facility. As alumni, you're such an important part of our Cardiff family. Our many successes have been and continue to be made possible because of the community that stands beside us. I really hope that you'll continue to be part of that community for many years to come. Please come and visit us on campus, attend our digital research showcase events, volunteer your time to support our students, be a part of #Team Cardiff and raise funds by running the Cardiff Half Marathon or fundraising for it. Consider making a philanthropic donation towards our research or supporting students. Become a valued member of Cadeirydd y Cyngor or remember Cardiff in your will. Diolch yn fawr. Thank you.